a new state has to be created. If tomorrow a small state has to be created, it is only national parties which can do it and not the regional parties. So friends, who are all here present here, I welcome them. I also request you to ask your friends to join BJP, and whenever time comes to you, and whenever the opportunity comes to you, try to influence your friends, try to influence and motivate your relatives also to see that you vote for BJP and you support BJP, because BJP is the only party which can save the nation. We have given opportunity, and today the leader of the youth, Rahul Gandhi, is being exposed. You have seen what he has done in Bihar, you have seen what he has done in Uttar Pradesh. Recently, I and Mr. Kishan Reddy was speaking to an Israeli ambassador. He came to India here, then we had a dinner with him. Then we asked him about his opinion about Rahul Gandhi. He said, I don't want to comment, but he told in Hindi, when this man, Anna Hazare's meeting was going on, hundreds and hundreds youth attended that meeting. Then one person, it seems he heard there, he was there, a slogan that Sari Yuva yahan hai, Rahul Gandhi kahan hai. That was his slogan. Today we don't want family rule. A family rule cannot be tolerated. This India being ruled by a single family for years together, it is a shame to the nation, it is a shame to democracy that one single party is ruling our country. So friends, we have to end family rule, we have to restore democracy, we have to contribute our might, time, everything, and join the party and make others to join the party. And with these few words, I thank our PIT sir for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Ramchandar Garu. Now I request our keynote speaker, Shri Muralidhar Rao, to speak on one of the most contentious issues vexing our minds, the crisis of credibility in Indian politics, and how we can help solving the chicken and egg riddle.
State President of Bharatiya Janata Party, respected Kishan Reddy ji, convener of IT cell, my dear friend Kiran, State General Secretary of Bharatiya Janata Party, respected Ramchandar, who is also an eminent advocate here in the state. Bharatiya Janata Party State Vice President, ex-member of Legislative Assembly, respected Ramakrishna Reddy, spokesperson of BJP, Shri NVSS Prabhakar, a senior leader, Ashok Kumar Yadav, Mallesham, and other dignitaries, office bearers, and the organizers of this program, members of IT cell, media friends, and other activists of BJP. At the very outset of this program, I would like to congratulate the organizers for organizing this program in a very successful way on a high note. I was thinking this hall is very big for the gathering of a cell, and I always felt this hall is sufficient. Now on this occasion, organizers have proved that this hall is also small and not so adequate. The completely packed, overflowing, People are not able to have a seat here, waiting outside and standing in the corner. So, organizers have put efforts, and also there is an attraction for BJP among the professionals. This is the demonstration. A very important section of the Indian society, IT professionals. And fortunate community. Sometimes what happens, a good professional in a particular stream, maybe health stream, maybe in another engineering stream, he may be a successful professional, and he may be even having many things to his credit. But many a times such individuals will not be able to have the appreciation of the community. Even if he is able to have the appreciation, individual appreciation, he may be able to have it. But this is the community which has the collective appreciation from the society today. IT professional, wherever you go, there is at least passive acceptance, if not active, even from the uneducated people. If you are an IT professional, you must be a brilliant person. This is the understanding of the people of this country, and even the understanding of uneducated people. Why this has happened? This has happened because IT, information technology sector, it has worked as an escalator for the country. Suddenly, the value of the passport of an Indian has gone up because of the contribution of the IT sector. A cutting edge technology, and we have been able to master it, and we have been able to contribute to the wealth of the intellectual pool of the world. So that is the reason wherever you go, IT means necessarily a brilliant man, necessarily a creative person, necessarily a dynamic person, away from intellectual inertia, and definitely in a significant way he has contributed to the power of the country. I am consciously using the word power of the country. Doctors in such a way, they have not been, they were also successful professionals. They have helped the American health system. They have helped the Southeast Asian countries' health infrastructure. But they have not been able to lift the power of India in such a way, the way IT sector professionals have been able to do. So that is the reason I am saying you are fortunate members of this particular community who are there at right time. Doing something at the right time is a very important thing. So Bharatiya Janata Party IT cell has organized a professionals conference, a convention, and in a very successful way, and so many people on Sunday. I know what is Sunday for IT professionals. Many people do not know outside. Many people think the positive aspects of the IT community. They earn more, they have a lot of money, they have been able to change their lifestyle in a least amount of time. All these things they are aware. But how much you are pressed, This is not known to the world. So I know what Sunday means to you. The only day you have after 6 days or 5 days of working, and on this occasion you have been able to spare time and come, so it becomes more important. The Bharatiya Janata Party IT cell of the state has been able to attract a good number of professionals, and they have been able to motivate the good number of professionals. So I congratulate the organizers once again. The IT sector, as I told, it has got positive things, but I would like to mention here, as we always call this as software engineers. Not necessarily IT means software, but in India it has become a synonymous. Because we don't have the hardware. We don't have hard power. So you represent the soft power. India, you also represent the soft power of the technology, not confined to that. You also represent the soft power of the country. The Indian power has been enhanced because of the contribution of the IT professional in a very soft way. The pride of India, the brand value of India, and the recognition and the stature of India has gone up, and this has worked as a soft power. The way Indian films have worked, the way Indian music has worked, the way Indian culture has worked, in the same way, in a very positive and soothing way, the software professionals have worked to enhance the stature of India. The strength and weakness of this community is this. We don't have the hard power, but we have the soft power. Now I come to the important aspects of today's expectations from the organizers. Crisis of credibility are some of the aspects related to it. After 1947, India has become independent country. We made the tryst with destiny. Now, before getting into the analysis of the situation, I would like to say, in India, in the present situation, for an individual, what is the game changer? For an individual to change his stature or to change his orbit of living, what is working in favor of him? What is the game changer for an individual? You and me, everybody knows the game changer for an individual in the modern India is education. Before having education, you were a son of a farmer. Somebody may be son of a cobbler. Somebody may be son of or daughter of somebody. A traditional economy, not able to do much, professionally constrained. And on the skill scale also there were a lot of constraints.